Yo, Wagwan, hope you're having a great day. Now, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a beautiful contact page for your website. If you don't know who I am, I'm Jay Cartere from jaycartere.com, teaching you how to be better at music, online marketing, and online business. And I did create a video on how to create a contact page using contact form 7, but honestly, those contact forms look disgusting. Yeah, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create a contact form using Thrive themes. So first of all, if you haven't got Thrive themes, go to growonyoutube.com/thrive and go and get that ASAP. It's really going to make all your website building like way easier. But what we need to do is we need to create a new page. This is going to be a really quick, straightforward video, so don't worry about it. And my question of the day is, what host are you using to host your website? Let me know in the comment section down below. So let's create a new page. We're going to call it test contact. Let's save a draft and let's launch Thrive Architect. Now, I've obviously got Thrive themes, which has all the different Thrive things in there, but I believe you can just do this with Thrive Architect. You can purchase Thrive Architect for pretty cheaply, but I do use the yearly membership, which is more than worth it. I couldn't speak more highly of Thrive and the way their things work. Now, usually I would get rid of this the page title, and in order to do that you need to scroll down on the page and go to Thrive theme options, which is down here, and then hide the page title so that you can just write your own title over here. So what I would do is then we create a background section, and I would create a content box, and we can create the text. So we can say contact, and we can turn this into a heading and whatnot, but that isn't the important part. Like you should already know how to do that if you've been watching the rest of my videos. But in order to create a contact form, it's very easy. You just bring in the contact form from Thrive themes, and here we go. We've got our contact form. Now, in order to connect this contact form to your email, you just need to go to email and after submit setup. But before that, let's actually, let's play with this a little bit. Let's change some things around. We want this color to be red, of course, and you can change it to send message or whatever you want it to be, but this is pretty much all we need from here. So let's go back to the contact form, and then we click email and after submit setup, and here you can type in the email that you want all these emails to be sent to. So you can have one specific email address that gets all the emails that is sent from your website. Enter that email here and then click next, although we do have to add an email. So let me just add contact@blah.com there we go. So basically what will happen here is it says new message from and it will say, you can put in here where you want it to be from. You can say like the specific website, you can say whatever form on JC site, and then when you get the message, it will tell you where the form is, what the first name of the person who's sending the message is, and their email address, and then you also see the actual message underneath this. And then if we go to next, we can choose what happens after the person submits. We can have it reload the page and send a confirmation email to let them know that we've got their email, or we can go to redirect to custom URL, so they can go to a specific thank you page afterhand, or we can show a success notification letting them know that their email has been sent. And I think show success notification is the easiest way to go, so that's what we're going to use. And then you can edit this this confirmation email to let them know that they've got their actual thing. If you click on personalized sender details, you can then change the actual name that is sending them this confirmation message. So you can say it's from whatever website. You can show a specific from email. You can change what email they can actually reply to, and all that is set up right here. And then you can just click save. Let's actually get rid of this because we're not using that right about now. Click save, and then you know save work and publish the page, and you're done. Really quick, really straightforward, and you've got a contact page on your website that actually looks pretty good. It doesn't look ugly like the other contact page. It looks pretty nice. So you can have a contact page, have whatever text you want on here, and allow people to contact you really quickly. I hope this video has helped you out. Remember, go to growonyoutube.com/thrive to grab Thrive themes if you haven't done so already. If you got any questions or any other videos you want me to make, please leave those in the comment section down below. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video where you'll learn more about music, online business, and online marketing. Peace out.